office furniture online. Deluxe Air Lumbar, large fully loaded operated chair with posture sprung seat. Assembly guide. Included in the box are seat pad with mechanism attached, backrest, gas strut cover, 5-star base, 5 casters, 1 pair of arms, 1 plastic gaiter, 1 Allen key, 6 bolts pre-inserted into their respective holes to prevent them from getting lost during transit. Use the Allen keys provided to remove these. To start, take the 5-star base and insert the casters into the holes, pushing firmly until they click. Turn the base over and drop the gas strut into the centre. Take the gas strut cover and place it over the gas strut like this. Each arm is marked underneath with L or R to indicate if it's left or right-handed. Turn the seat pad face down, insert the bolts through the holes in the arms into the seat base. We recommend you use the Allen key provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. Do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. Now pick up the seat pad and slot it into position on the gas strut. Place the plastic gaiter over the seat mechanism like this. Next, pass the back support through the centre of the plastic and through the hole in the seat mechanism. Set the back to the required height and tighten the back height adjuster on the mechanism. Position the Air Lumbar hand pump down the side of the seat pad and fasten into position with the velcro fastener. Please keep your Allen key to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they've come loose. And there you have it, your Deluxe Air Lumbar, large fully loaded operated chair with posture sprung seat.